Hello. So today, Dr. Moon and I, my name is Dr. Tran, we will start doing a video clip on back, focus on the back for people who do a lot of driving, sitting in the office, people who stuck in a cubicle for a long period of time. So hopefully it will help you guys alleviate some tension in the back. And there's no mean to replace any kind of treatment for back pain. All right, so first one, we're going to start with the lumbar extension, laid out on the floor. So for those of you at home, you can get a towel and just roll it up really, really tight, like so. And so first thing you want to do is you want to just sit down like this, put it right here when you lay down, put it right there, slowly lying down. Another way you can also do is lay down first and then lift your hip up and put it right between your two little bones. You put your hand and the hip coming up, there's a little indentation right there. That's where you put the towel. That's where your L5S1 is. And you just lay like that, slowly straighten your leg out. Now, and you can see for me this is too easy. Normally for everybody this is way too easy. But for those of you who sit a lot, this can be painful. And if it's too easy, it's not good enough, then you can make a bigger towel. Even get a water bottle and roll it up to make it thicker. Now this is, for me, it's too easy, but it's just for the educational purpose, a demonstration only. So you hold, you put it like that, you stay here for a minute or two, and then you start to move it up here, and try to keep your hip down and arch your back, and then slowly move it up all the way to upper back. And it's the same position. Alright, and I already showed this in some other video before, which is combined with other stretches, so you have everything in one package. Alright, so this is one of the stretches that we recommend you do. And then while you're sitting in the office, you can also do some hip stretches as you sit right here. And one of the things that I recommend is just cross your leg over like that and just sit up straight. The key is just try to keep your back as straight as you can, and some of you might have to go like that. It's okay, just grab your knee and just try to pull yourself forward. You try to retain the little arch here in the back. So just hold, just sitting like that, and you feel all the stretching from the hip all the way up here. Now for some of you, you have tight hip, you might also feel it in this area, in the groin area. And if it's too much for you, then put your leg out a little further. And if this is still very difficult for you, then just put your leg to the side, just like so, and just get them down, just like that. And then same thing, the hardest part is from here to sit up straight. So you anterior, move your pelvic forward, just like that. Okay? Just sit like that, right here. Yep. There you go. Yep. Just sit like that for a good minute. And just sitting this in this particular position itself is exercising. And then so bring your shoulder back, sit up like that. So you do this side and then cross over here, same thing, just cross your leg over and then sit up straight. And that would help with this, all this pulling weight. Now this is on the floor. If you can't sit on the floor, you can do this on the chair. So we have a chair right here, we can do the same thing. Come over here, you cross your leg like we usually do. And just cross your over here. And just sit towards the end of the chair, make sure the chair is sturdy, no wheel attached. And just sit up straight like so. And that really helps strengthen the muscle here, stretching this hip here from this muscle here. And so you can lean into it. And you hold this for about a good minute. And you do it on both sides. Now remember, when I'm leaning in, I'm not this way. I'm not hunched over, but I sit up straight. And from here I lean towards with the pelvic. So I tuck my pelvic forward and lean in like so. Try to keep the back, the low back as straight as you can. And lean in like that. And then the other exercise that we can also do, see we're in this particular position is sitting up straight, and we call anterior pelvic tilt. So this is our pelvic. This is posterior tilt. This anterior tilt. So you want to put your hand on your knee and you just drop them back. So suck the air out, breathe out completely, empty your stomach, suck it in, breathe in, and arch your back and move your head forward. Back and forward. Back and forward. And as you can see, it's very important to make sure this exercise you bring your navel to your chest, not the other way around. Most of the day you sit like this. You want to sit up straight and then tuck it in this way and arch the back this way. So elongate the muscle here and flex them all the way. Take a deep breath in, out, suck them in, breathe in, take your butt out the other way. So we do this about 12 times. And you do this often, maybe every couple hours. It really helps strengthen the pelvic floor. Okay? And when you're in this particular position, turn your body all the way this way. This also helps you stress rotation, stress your lat, and then your spine as well. Turn this way. We do the same thing, bring all the way here. And come back. So this stretches really help you to increase mobility in your spine. All right, so that's that for now, and we add some more stretches later.